Hello everyone, welcome to Sambo's training channel. Um, Today we'll be discussing we'll be looking at creating ArcGIS Instant Apps. And briefly, let's go through the overview of ArcGIS Instant Application. You see, ArcGIS Instant Application are pre-configured, ready-to-use web application that allow users to create interactive mapping experience in a quick way, and also it is easy to use, like I said earlier, without the need of coding. So they're actually part of the Esri ArcGIS ecosystem, and they are designed to share maps, data, and workflows in visually engaging and also user-friendly manner. So without wasting our time, we would look at some of the key features of ArcGIS Instant App. Number one, we'll be talking about the user-friendly configuration part of it. Like I said earlier, there's no need for you to code. There's no coding required. Then user can actually configure apps through an intuitive interface. Then you can actually customize your layouts, your themes, and widgets to fit specific needs. The second feature we'll be talking about is it enables integration with ArcGIS. It works seamlessly with ArcGIS Online and ArcGIS Enterprise. It also allows users to incorporate existing web maps, web scene, and feature layers. Another feature is it has varieties of templates. It offers a range of templates for different use cases or different purposes like storytelling, data exploration, reporting, and navigation. It's also give you access to more like, it allows responsive design, automatically adjust for optimal viewing on desktop, on your tablets and your mobile device. And the fifth one that we'll be talking about, which will be the last key feature. There are still several ones, but these are just the five I picked. It enables interactive tools, tools like filter, like charts, like measurement tools, and you can actually search functionality for enhanced map interaction and the likes. So we'll be looking at common use cases. Number one is public engagement. Some people use ArcGIS Instant App to actually share community projects, to also run some kind of environmental updates or urban planning initiative with the public. It's something that you can quickly just build to solve or to show or to solve a problem or to show. So it's just a quick application. Now, another one is for data exploration. For data exploration, now you have a project, you want to gather data, you want to explore data. You can provide this instant app that would enable stakeholders to explore data set visually and interactively. Another one is field operations. Like very soon we'll go into demo. I'll be looking at crime incident reporting. So, in such cases, you have to carry out some field operations and all of that. So you provide interactive maps to field teams and for navigating or for data collection as well. Then emergency response. It shares real-time incidents map. That's what we'll be doing very soon, very shortly. Incident maps during disaster for coordination and also for more like situation awareness and the likes. Then the last one is education and training. You use this app to create engaging teaching tools for students and trainings and all like that. So our workflow today will be number one, we'll have to select the particular map we'll be using. It has to be a kind of web map that has been published, more like you've designed your map, then you've published it, as a web map. That's what you'll be using as more like a base foundational imagery. The second one is to pick the particular template you'll be needing, or the particular template that suits that particular application that you want to build. Then the next one is to configure the application to be able to get the desired task or desired purpose that you want to create it. And the last one is to preview the application you've built and actually publish it. So we'll be going straight into demonstration. So we'll be going straight to our web browser. You can always log into arcgis.com. You understand, then you sign in using your ArcGIS login credentials. Then after doing that, you can now go to your app launcher, click your app launcher, then you go straight to Instant App. But before we go to Instant App, it will be nice for us to search for our web map. So I'll simply go to content first and check. Okay, this one will be using crime reporting map. If it's something that is on, depending on wherever you have your web map, you can actually select it. Let's check so we can actually, let's preview the web map. Open a map viewer classic. Let's see what our web map looks like. So this is the map we'll be working on today. It's called crime reporting map. So we have some areas right here that has been reported, that some criminal activities has actually been reported. You see assault, drug deal, and all of that. So let's not waste our time here. Let's go straight to, now that we've gotten and we've selected the particular map we'll be using. Let's go back and click on your app launcher and select Instant Apps. So after selecting, the first thing you'll notice this is how your Instant App is. Here you have your app launcher as usual, your login details, then you can actually search for capabilities depending on what you want. The particular, you can type what you really want to, you need something like that. So it gives you options of templates that you can actually select. You have your create tab, you have my apps here, we have featured, all of that. So we'll go back to create. Then the first thing on this pane is suggestion pane, asking you what is your goal for the application. Number one, is it to showcase one or more maps with essential tools? Is to allow viewers to interact with your data, to provide public information, to display a variety of feature and content type. But today, because we want to create a crime incident report application, will be, when we are creating such kind of it, we need something that can allow viewers to actually interact in case if they really want to, report a kind of case or a situation somewhere. So we would actually select allow viewers to interact with your application, with your data. Then the next question is, what do you want viewers to do with your data? To measure distance, to compare map and data, to filter features, to edit data, to explore graphics and statistics. So you can click on edit data. Let's see, it has narrowed the templates down. Now we can see attachment viewer, image viewer, manager, reporter. So we're actually concerned with with the reporter template here. So like I said, within within few minutes, you can actually design an application with ArcGIS Instant App. So let's see what we. So there are other things you can check from here. You can see, clicking on that drop down arrow, you can see the descriptions stating reporters offers app users the ability to view and submit issues or observation about a specific area. Reports are then added onto the map used in the app. Reporters also include a basic set of map exploration tools to help navigate the map and submitted reports here. So this is exactly what we need for our crime incidents reports application that we want to build. So let's close this, then there's no need to just have to choose because it's exactly what we need. Let's give it a title, like we said, crime incidents reports. That should be our title. Then our tags should be like crime, then let's put incident reports. Then let's add, let's say, maybe crime reports as well. Or let's just put reports. Then depending, can actually add several kind of tags to the provision for tag. Which folder should we save it in? In case if you have any group or any folder, well, I'll be saving it in my own personal folder here. I'm saving it in that folder. Then you click on create app. Then your configuration page would open. So we are at the point where we want to configure our application now. So after selecting a template, you now start configuration. There are two ways. Either you use Express. It will turn off Express and let's read. Express mode focus on the most important options to consider for this app. Turning off Express mode provide access to all the settings supported by the application. So if you click on continue now, you can see this is it here. You can see you have access in detail to everything on the map. So in case, but if you want a sharp mode, more like a kind of express mode, you turn on your express mode, which will help you, it makes things simpler for you and easier. So let's just explore the express mode as we want to build app within a short space of time. So let's click on map. Now the first thing we need to do is to select a particular map that we want to use for this application. So we've selected crime reporting map. So we just click on it. Then we'll select the map. Then we have our application here loaded. So from here, you can see that we have all our incidents already picked locations on our map. So the next thing we are going to do now is to click next. Now we want to add some things to it. Our header has been added, and the title of the header, which is this, is a crime incident reports application. Then if we want to add introduction window, you can actually edit that. You can put mapping, so that anytime you click on this application, it opens a kind of introduction kind of note for you to understand what the app does. So this app, let's just use this app, enables you to this enables you to map and report crime incidents. So that's that. See, so we go straight to the next one, which is the reporter itself. So we select the layer. Under layer, if you want them to comment, you can add. If you want them to like, dislike, and all of that, you can add all of this to it. So, but we're not concerned about that. So show feature symbology, yes. Immediately you've seen that it has shown the symbology of the feature on the the feature side. Then add user profile image to comments. No, we don't need that. So report submitted message. This is what will be displaying once you have successfully submitted the report, to tell you thank you, your report was successfully submitted. Okay, let's edit it. Thank you, your crime reports. Yeah, your crime report was successfully submitted. That would be nice. Then I think that's okay. Okay. So submit your report button text. Yes, once you click on that, it says you okay, this is the button showing here. Let me close this so you can see very well. Report an incident. So let's change it to reports a crime incident. See, it has changed to this here. So this is what displays when you submit the comment, comment submitted, and all. I think let's add comments to this. Let's toggle comments. See, okay, this doesn't allow you also add comments. Okay, let's continue. Then that's that. We move to the next one, which is interactivity. This is where you can actually allows you to interact. Let's add layer list. Immediately you notice something popped up at this angle, at this corner. If you open it, you see from here, you can see the layers. So we only have one layer here. You can turn on and turn off the layers. So using it. So yep, let's go. Let's add search open at start, in case if you want to find the address at start. So I think it's good in case if you don't know the address of the area, you can actually more like it enables you to search your particular location. You can search your location or whatever. Then I think that's all. Allow sources in case if you want to search, so you can connect to other area where you can search. That's that. I think that's all. Then let's move to the next one, which is your theme and layout. Under theme and layout, you can change it from light. Like this is light now. Let's change to dark. I think I like this dark mode better. It's not about, like, it depends on whatever you reach or whatever that suits you, you understand. So either you put it on light or dark. Yeah. Then select a preset theme. Yeah, in case you want to select any kind of theme, like let's use indigo. Then from here you can actually manage your widgets here. All these widgets here, you can change their position. So let's put all on this side now. On the top left, Okay, let's put search underneath this first. So you can click on this button here, then you drag and position where you want it to be. You see it has moved to the particular location. Then this layer, let's put it on the bottom left as well. So you click this and drag under legend. That's beautiful. So you can see you have it here, then you have it here. So that's all for that. Okay, we're done with themes. Then let's move to the next one. Click next, which is the final stage. In case if you want to give room for multiple languages, you can actually toggle the language switcher. Then you can add the language by searching. Let's search for French. If you click on that, you can, I think, yeah, you can actually also set the translation, what's it called? Translation configuration. So that's that. So we don't really need to do this. So we can just close this and, let's cancel this. So, but you can just explore more later because of our time. I think that's all for the application. So you, after configuring your application, you can actually preview from here. Let's see portrait view. This is what it looks like. And the landscape view, this is what it looks like. Let's go back to this one. No, we don't want language translator. Yeah, so this is good here. So let's explore. Let's click on this particular scene. It gives us the detail of, so like we said, what we selected the other time is to allow you to view. This is the person that filled this information now. Look at these are the situation that happened around that area. So you can as well go back. Then if you want to report a crime, you click on this. Then you can now click and more like you select the area where you want to report the crime. Let's say this is it. Then you can fill in all the crime reports that you want to fill. Then once you are done, you hit the submit button and all that like that. So with this, we've successfully created our instance application. So after doing that, the next thing you need to do is to click on your publish button. You publish, then you confirm. After doing this, confirm. Then it tells you if you want to change your sharing settings. Let me open. Okay, I can't open a new tab. All right. Don't forget, you can actually copy your URL here. You can share with Facebook, LinkedIn, or whatsoever you want to share with. So, well, let's change it to public so that everybody can be able to, depending on who you want to allow to have access to your application. If it's you personally, you set it as owner, it was previously on owner. If it's you want to share with your organization alone, I mean the members of your organization, you select your organization. And if you want to share with public, you can select that one now. You want to share with public, you click on save. You need to actually save the application. Okay, item sharing successfully updated. That's all. Then we can see this is so does that you've successfully changed your sharing and all of that. So it has been published. You can see it has been published. So if we go back to your content, you can actually have access to your application now. We click on it. This is our application here. So we can actually view it. So have you seen, this is what we said. This app enables you to map and report crime incidents. So you click on explore, takes you straight to your application and you can interact. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. We've come to the end of today's we've come to the end of this training. Thank you.